Welcome and thank you for participating in this fire knife basic course. In this course, we're going to go over 4 basic moves to help you learn and put together your very first fire knife dancing routine. By the time you finish, you should be able to do a dancing routine that lasts about 60 to 90 seconds from the very beginning to the very end. That is very good because a typical fire knife dance will last anywhere from 2.5 to 4 minutes long. So when other courses come out, my intermediate and expert courses, you'll be able to have a full 3 to 4 minutes by then. But for this first one, we want to work on that first minute, which will lay the foundation for the rest of your performance. So the way this course is going to go is you're going to go to each module, and at the beginning of each module, you'll see a video. Watch the video, watch it a few times, slow it down. I think I slow it down a little bit in some parts for you to learn, but watch it and then read the practice exercise that it has you do after. So use your stick as you're watching to kind of learn to do the moves, and after you watch the video, do the practice that I invite you to do after. Each practice move that I have you do is to help you learn the basics of that move. So once you learn that and you master it, then you're ready to go on to the next module. Each module builds upon the last. So don't skip the module. Start from the beginning, go to the end. By the end, you'll learn four basic moves that will move you from the intro all the way to the end of your fire knife dance. It's a very basic performance, but by the time you do it, you should be able to do a dance yourself. So I'm excited for you to participate in this course, and I look forward to seeing your routine here at the end.